The world is changing so rapidly. When we look at the advancement of technology, it is just happening at speeds that we can't even fathom.
Today feels so much different than any time in the past. So it's really a pivotal shift in how we operate and function.
The new wave of water is here. A digital transformation driven by data to sustain a changing California.
So the reoccurrence of the drought, and with each drought getting worse, and this cycle of crisis really demand better data. Because without data, how do you know what's working, what's not working? And the public who we serve in our industry are expecting us to have these tools, to have this knowledge and capability, and use that data and innovation in a way that's ethical, equitable, and meaningful.
The California Data Collaborative is growing a groundbreaking community. On the campus of Stanford University, water managers join state regulators and policymakers, global engineering and tech firms, startups, and academics at the 8th Annual Water Data Summit, a shared conversation piloting innovation and progress, empowering the next generation of leaders.
Organizations like the Collaborative that are really creating the space to have discussions, to learn, to think differently about the sector, and to get inspired. It is cutting edge, it's innovative, and it's exciting for that.
When there's a wave like this coming at you, you can't just sit there and, well, it'll get here. Data can be that sort of common language. If we can all at least have a shared picture of what our reality is, we may not all agree on what the next steps are, but at least we're not just talking past each other, is my hope. I think it can be revolutionary.
The power of events like today is bringing those different perspectives and figuring out how they can all work together. When we come with that mindset, truly anything's possible.
Data without people is nothing. It's just numbers, it's just things. And that's what I love about the Data Collaborative, because we highlight the people, we highlight their stories, and that's what makes technology and data meaningful for us.
The movement is gathering increasing momentum. Already, the Collaborative is harnessing the immense power of big data, molding it into something meaningful. Artificial intelligence seems inevitable, promising not only to reshape water, but society as we know it.
Being able to have that data on hand can allows you to shift from this sort of static management to this really adaptive management.
And for us at the State Water Resources Control Board, we're such a huge regulatory agency making decisions all the time that this discussion around data is so critical to figuring out how to be a better decision maker in the 21st century.
We've seen how much the work that we have done has provided value, not just for the members and the partners, but for the community at large. And once people see that, now they understand and can wrap their minds around what the Collaborative is doing and what it's about, and how much it's needed for us to advance water in California.
From advanced water treatment technologies to sustainable resource management, California is at the forefront of change. Real-time data empowers us to adapt to our ever-evolving challenges, droughts, floods, and climate change, equipping our water workforce with the tools they need to make the right decisions at the right time. This is how we build a better California, a more resilient California, a California ready to face the challenges of our future.
It's a huge opportunity. I wish every state, every country did something like what the CADC does.
I think it has some of the most fundamental impact we can have. Data has an ability to reconcile those challenges that we have by better understanding the systems we're managing and help us here into the future pivot into the reality of a changed climate. We're making progress on these issues.
Everyone, at the end of the day, is trying to accomplish a reliable human right to water for everyone.
And to see that vision thrive and see everyone collaborate, work together, and care so much together, it's everything. It fills my heart, and it just gives me hope for the future.